2, 1, start. The complainant has filed the present complaint before the Commission under Section 12 of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. Brief facts as given in the complaint are that on 16/10/2021, Mintu, brother of Naresh Kumar, complainant was arrested by CIA 3 staff Karnal in a theft case. It is alleged that CIA 3 staff Karnal demanded money from his brother and threatened that if he did not give the money, he would be falsely implicated in 25 to 30 cases. As his brother could not fulfill their demand, he was given third-degree torture in CIA 3 Karnal, due to which his brother died. But they informed the family of the complainant that Mintu died due to heart failure. It is further alleged in the complaint by the complainant that when he saw the dead body of his brother Mintu before post-mortem, his hands and feet were swollen and having fractures. There were also injuries on the other parts of the body. Prayer was made in the complaint for registration of a case murder against the guilty police personnel of CIA 3 Karnal and strict legal action be taken against them. In view of the allegations leveled in the complaint, report from Superintendent of Police Karnal through Director of Investigation HHRC was requisite. Wide order dated 24/11/2021 passed by the Commission and the case was adjourned to 21/2/2022. Stanza. Superintendent of Police Karnal, vide his letter number 325 PD dated 21/2/2022, informed the Commission that on the basis of the complaint FIR number 644 dated 18/10/2021 under Section 302 IPC was registered in Civil Lines Karnal and its investigation was handed over to Deputy Superintendent of Police Head Office Karnal. It was further informed that inquiry in the matter was being conducted under Section 176 CRPC by Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Karnal. It was also informed by Superintendent of Police Karnal, vide his letter number 1243 PD dated 28/3/2022, that further investigation of the case was transferred to State Crime Branch Haryana Madhuban, and as per report of Inspector State Crime Branch Madhuban dated 25 July 2022, investigation of the case was still under process. Stanza. In the case, inquiry under Section 176 CRPC was conducted by Alka Rani, Judicial Magistrate, First Class Karnal, and after inquiry she submitted her final report regarding custodial death of deceased Mintu, son of Roshan Lal, wide letter dated 22 March 2022. Stanza. We have carefully gone through the record of the case and perused the inquiry report submitted by Judicial Magistrate First Class Karnal. During the course of inquiry, the inquiry officer recorded statements of members of Medical Board, namely Dr. Ashish Verma, ASMO, Dr. Kailash Goyal, SMO, and Dr. Rajneesh Garg, DMS, who prepared post-mortem report of deceased Mintu. Dr. Ashish Verma, ASMO, in his statement made before the inquiry officer within bracket JMIC Karnal stated that they had sent Visra at FSL Madhuban and Kalpana Chawla Government Medical College and Hospital Karnal stop. He further stated that after going through the forensic science laboratory report, no common poison was detected. Stop. He further stated that the final opinion regarding cause of death is multiple injuries as described in post-mortem report and their complications. Stop. In the concluding para of the inquiry report, the inquiry officer reported as under stop stanza. Hence, on the basis of the statements of medical officers, medical records of deceased Mintu, son of Roshan Lal, hospitalized report was as well as FSL report along with opinion of doctors, it is hereby concluded that the cause of death of deceased Mintu, son of Roshan Lal, was multiple injuries as described in post-mortem report and their complications. Stop. There is suspicious circumstances in the death of deceased Mintu, son of Roshan Lal, as per my inquiry. Stop stanza. From the inquiry report submitted by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Karnal, it is evident that cause of death of Mintu, son of Roshan Lal, in the case is multiple injuries as described in post-mortem report and their complications. Stop. We thus find that these injuries must have been caused to Mintu, deceased, when he was in the custody of CIA 3 staff Karnal. Stop. Had the injuries, the number of which has been mentioned as 22 in the post-mortem report, been there on the person of deceased Mintu prior to his arrest, then he must have been admitted in some hospital or undergoing treatment in some health care center, and there were remote chances of his arrest. Stop. So the plea that he had suffered injuries prior to his arrest is not believable, and the fact remains that Mintu, deceased, suffered injuries when he was in the custody of staff of CIA 3 Karnal. Stop. It may be stated here that custodial death is one of the highest forms of violation of human rights. Stop.